Convert your physical SIM to eSIM or transfer Jio eSIM from one eSIM device to another in 5 easy steps. Please note, it is mandatory to complete all 5 steps to activate eSIM on your eSIM compatible device. Please don't skip or avoid any step. To start the eSIM process, please ensure you have an eSIM compatible device and your email ID is registered for your Jio number. To check whether your device is compatible with Jio eSIM, go to jio.com/jcms/eSIM/. Scroll down. Select your device make and model. Now that you know your device is compatible with Jio eSIM, let's move on to the next step. Let's check if your email ID is registered with Jio. Open My Jio app. Type email in the search box. From the suggested options, tap on Update my email ID when it appears. If your email ID is not updated, enter the email ID which you wish to register against your Jio number. An OTP will be sent on the requested email ID for validation. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. Your email ID will be updated. Let's proceed to the next step. To initiate the first step, you need to have the EID number and IMEI number of the device on which you wish to activate your Jio eSIM. Copy the EID and IMEI number. In case you're unable to copy, please write down the EID number and IMEI number as they are lengthy and need to be sent via SMS. Let's see how to find the EID number and IMEI number on your eSIM device. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Tap on About. And you will see the 32-digit EID and 15-digit IMEI number. Or you can type *#06# to find EID on your eSIM device. Ensure that your eSIM device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot during this process. Step 1. Open and create a new SMS. Type Get eSIM space 32-digit EID space 15-digit IMEI and send to 199 from the Jio number you wish to upgrade to eSIM. On sending the correct EID and IMEI number to 199, you will get a revert from SMS and email with 19 digits ICC-ID number on your Jio number. Copy the ICC-ID number. Step 2. Open and create a new SMS. Type SIMCHG space 19-digit ICC-ID number and send to 199. On sending the correct ICC-ID number, you will receive a confirmation SMS and email. At this step, your request is sent for processing that will take 2 hours time as per government guidelines. Please note that your existing services will remain active during this period. Step 3. After completion of 2 hours cooling period, you will receive a confirmation message asking to share your consent via SMS to process your request. To share your consent, open Messages and create a new SMS. Type 1 and send to 199. Note, if you wish to cancel your eSIM request for any reason, type 8 and send to 199. Step 4. Within 5 minutes of sending consent SMS, you will receive an IVR call from +91 22350 72222 on your Jio number asking you to share your consent for eSIM request. Listen to the IVR call carefully and type the number prompted on the IVR call. After sharing consent on the IVR, a confirmation SMS and email will be sent to you. In case you have missed the IVR call or disconnected the same before you could share the consent, don't worry. You can request for a callback. To request for a callback, open Messages and compose a new SMS using the same Jio number which you wish to upgrade to eSIM. Type Recall and send to 199. Within 5 minutes of sending SMS, you will receive an IVR call on your Jio number asking you to share your consent for eSIM request. In case you don't get the first IVR call within 10 minutes of sending the consent SMS, we suggest you check your missed call list as you may not have answered the call thinking it is a spam call, or check if you have enabled spam blocking via your phone's dialer or any third-party apps. Step 5. Once you receive confirmation for IVR consent, you need to install the eSIM on your eSIM device. Connect your eSIM device with Wi-Fi or hotspot. For Apple and Samsung devices, simply tap on eSIM profile received on the device and follow the step to install the eSIM. For any other device, open the eSIM profile QR code sent on your email from notification@jio.com. Now, open the camera app on your eSIM device. Point the camera to QR code. Now tap on Add Plan or Mobile Plan popping in the screen and follow the steps to install the eSIM. If you have the QR code on the same device on which you wish to install the eSIM, don't worry. You can save the QR code image on your phone and scan it using the Add eSIM option. Then, follow the instructions shown on device to complete the installation. Once eSIM is installed on device, your existing SIM will show no network and eSIM will get activated. And that's it. Your Jio number is switched to eSIM. Enjoy the convenience of your new eSIM. Please note, as per government guidelines, SMS services will not be available for next 24 hours after eSIM activation. Important information. Do not select delete or erase eSIM as it will permanently remove your eSIM and Jio services. For any assistance with eSIM profile activation, please call us on 199 from any Jio number or call 1800 88 99999 from non-Jio number. Thank you.